Daydream 2 and all our plans for 2024 are fully funded, and we're now moving to the next stage of stimulation and flow testing. Stick with us, and by middle of the year, we'll hopefully start booking reserves. Elixir just put out its quarterly report today, and a few highlights in there are as follows. Firstly, we provided a bit of a summation of the excellent work done in the Daydream 2 program in the last quarter. We noted our cash balance, including an R&D receivable, is strong and fully funds us through the course of this year. The upcoming remaining program for Daydream 2 is imminent and multi-stage, and is intended to, by middle of the year, deliver an extended flow test, which, if successful, will put us on the path towards booking reserves and taking that project forward, hopefully with strong partners, and we're working on that aspect too. So that quarter was about delivery of the highest impact well that the company has ever drilled in any of its iterations, and that well excelled on numerous fronts in terms of operational efficiency, financial efficiency, discovering and appraising what we expected, and then also encountering what we did not expect, a free-flowing permeable zone at depth. And that zone is the subject of further ongoing laboratory and other work, and will be integrated in our previously planned testing program for the layers of tighter rock that lie above it. So now we're moving to the stimulation stage. We are about to conduct various work on the well to clean out mud, to commence what are called defits. These are tests that are equivalent to mini stimulation exercises, which measure various aspects of the well and allow for the optimum design of the full-blown stimulation program, which then flows into the flow test part of it in next quarter. So quite a lot of physical work involved, as well as all the commercial work. And I think last quarter we saw some great outcomes of that parallel commercial work, whereby we received non-dilutive funding from two sources. Firstly, from Canberra. We previously announced that this entire program for Daydream 2 qualifies for a nearly 50% R&D rebate, and we received the first sum in connection therewith. Even more pleasing, we received $1.8 million from Elixir Energy in connection with an information sharing agreement we struck with them. Under that, we intersected a layer of rock of interest to them for their carbon capture and storage license. They paid us basically $800,000 for the additional costs and rig time that we incurred in getting that information. Then they paid us $1 million clear on top of that, in effect a contribution towards our well costs. So those were two very significant assisters to the financing of this well, and demonstrates that pursuing smart commercial dealings in parallel with excellent technical work is what really delivers, and what we continue to plan to do go forward.